Hi, I'm the RC Hunter. Welcome to my channel. Today we have a review of the Ferrari F138 RC car. Great little car, 1/12 scale. Start off with the remote control. Pretty cool remote. Fits in the hand really well. You got your forward, your back, your left and your right. Your aerial, which is telescopic, goes up and down. On the back you got an on-off switch and it takes a 9-volt battery. Cute little remote control and controller, really good, fits well in the hand. Going to the car, it's a nice car, good size, 1/12 scale. Alonso is well painted, all the correct detail decals. The front suspension arms, the back suspension arms, and your side pods and your skid plates, they're all carbon fibre, the rest of it is plastic. The wheels, which I'm really happy about, the rubber, not plastic, quite spongy, so it's pretty cool. Underneath the car, you got on-off switch, and it takes 5 AA batteries. Up here you've got your trim button to trim your steering wheel, and it works off a 27.14 megahertz signal. I have one gripe about this. Well, I had two actually. The first one was the distance. I only got like about 15 foot and it lost signal. It just dropped out. So what I did was, no drilling, easy fix. Take the body off, undo the TX aerial, and then poke it through the body. And now I'm getting 25 meters, which is really cool. The second one is the battery life. The batteries, it takes 5 AA batteries, and it's terrible. That's for about 6 minutes, 7 minutes. What I'm going to do is make this, it's an easy mod too, make it into a LiPo battery, so it'll have more power, the battery will last longer, you're able to recharge quickly, you're not recharging 5 AA batteries. A lot better. So that's going to be my mod, is swap it over to LiPo power. I think that'd be cool actually. Apart from that, it's a really nice car. It's pretty quick. I can't wait to get LiPo on it. I've done a couple of videos on my channel, only a short one because the weather's been so bad. It's been horrible. So what I'll do is, when I get a dry day, I'll do a test run on it. Take it up to the car park where the tarmac's nice and smooth, and I'll do a test run on it. But yeah, apart from that, it's a nice size, well detailed, 1/12 scale Formula 1 car. I think if you're into Formula 1, I advise you to get it. Right then, thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, make any comments, and I'll catch you soon. Ciao for now.